Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to be showing you the different options on how you can withdraw your hamster tokens on the day of listing. So click here where you're seeing airdrop, click on airdrop, and here the active tab is now withdrawal, and they show you the different exchanges or DEX, the wallets that you can withdraw your tokens on. And the good part is the first 5 options, so all these first 5 options are gas free. Excuse me. All these are gas free. As you can see, even here they're saying no gas, so no gas fees. We have Binance, OKX, Bybit, the wallet in Telegram, so this is the native wallet or the default wallet in Telegram, and also this EB exchange, so it's a DEX, I guess. And here you'll be able to withdraw your tokens without any gas fees. But as always, I prefer the on-chain claiming. But the downside on this, you'll be spending money to claim the tokens. Okay, you'll be spending money to claim the tokens, but also you should be able to know that. And here they're saying KYC needed. So if at all you have verified accounts on these exchanges, you'll be able to withdraw to those exchanges. And KYC means know your customer. So you may find Binance asks for IDs, passports, so all these exchanges, for them to verify that you are excuse me, that you're a real person on their platform. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to get addresses and memo from these exchanges. Let us start with Binance. So let us start with this. Click there, click yes, I have it, if at all you have the account for Binance. And here they will ask you for 2 things. They'll ask you for the address and memo. Okay, so I already have these exchanges opened up on my phone here. So click on deposit, then here in the search bar where they say search coins, click there, then type HMS, so hamster, short for hamster. As you can see here, they bring it to you, Hamster Kombat. Click on it, and here they will tell you to select the network or choose the network. Click there on Toncoin, then click OK. Click on OK. Here they also show you both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your hamster to Binance. So click on OK, as I said. And the first thing that you have to do is copy this. Make sure the network is Toncoin. So click on these clipboards to copy, then go back to hamster, paste it here. Then here they will ask you for the memo. Okay, so go back on Binance, click this clipboard, clip, then paste the memo there. As simple as that. Lastly, you have to click on save and choose. So that's for Binance. Okay, now let us select OKX. Click on yes, I have it. Here they ask you for the OKX user ID, the hamster deposit address, and memo. So what we are going to do is, let us close Binance. We finished this. So this is OKX. So to get your user ID, you first have to click there, and then click here on that chevron arrow. Then here they will show you your user ID, so it's here. So make sure you copy what is shown here by clicking on these clipboards. So click that, come back here, paste it. Okay, then let us go and get the hamster deposit address. So go back by clicking the back button, then click on deposit crypto. Then here where they're showing you search for HM, and they have already brought it here, Hamster Kombat. Give it some time and just slide this to continue. Excuse me. Slide this. Then what we are going to do is click on copy here. So this is the address, paste it there. Then for the memo, they ask it here. Let us go back. Then copy this. Here it's referred to as a comment, but it's the same as memo. So make sure you paste it here and then click on save and continue if at all it's what you're going to be using. So this, if at all you are withdrawing to OKX, as simple as that. So that's for OKX. Let us go back. Then let us select Bybit. So click on Bybit here. Click on yes, I have it. And also for Bybit, they ask you for the Bybit user ID, the deposit address and memo. So close out this. OKX, this is Bybit. So for Bybit, we have to first click here on home. Click on home. Then click here on your profile image there, up. And here they will show you the user ID. Make sure you copy it. Take it to Hamster. Why is it doing this? Okay. So paste it here. That's the Bybit user ID. Then let us go back and get the deposit address and memo. So go back to Bybit, click that back button. Then let us click here on deposit. And here we are going to click on deposit crypto. Then up here where they are saying please select your preferred, preferred pair. So what we are going to do is click there and then search for HM. So let us scroll, they will bring it here. So click on that, then click on tone, which is the network, and here just click on OK. Copy this address by clicking these clipboard buttons. Sorry for the noise in the background, kids are playing around. So paste it there. Then let us go and get the memo. And remember, I told you the memo can be called a tag, a comment, a note, a remark. So as long as they are asking for the memo in the airdrop, come and copy this. So click on these clipboards and paste that there, and that will be the information they need: the Bybit user ID, the deposit address and memo. Lastly, click on save and choose if at all you're going to be using Bybit. And for me, as I told you, now for you guys who want to withdraw to the Telegram wallet, just click there, then connect it. It will be simple. Just connect the inbuilt Telegram wallet and you'll be good to go. I'm not going to do that. Now for this exchange, I don't know guys who are using this exchange, but you can go ahead if you have the ID of that exchange and paste it there, then verify and set as default if at all you have that exchange. Then for me, I'm going to be using this. And for this, let me show you, let me close this. This is the address or wallet that I connected. As you can see, when I called it Hamster, for you guys who have been here from the beginning, this is the wallet that I created, and it's the one that will be claiming Hamster. Take note of this address. If I'm to go back and click on this on-chain airdrop, they will show you the address here. So take note of the last letters. So L6LNE, as you can see, 6LNE. So that's my wallet address. I connected it to Hamster in the days back. So what I'm going to do is select this because I want to claim on chain. I'm not going to be sending my tokens to any centralized exchange unless I'm willing to sell. So I'm first going to hold my tokens for some little bit of time. For you guys, if you chose an exchange, it's all good. We are all here to make money, but I'll be making, like, holding some tokens for some time. So what I'm going to do is set default withdraw option. So set as default withdraw option. This is what I'm going to be withdrawing my tokens on. So I'll be spending some little bit of gas fees. It can be $2, $3. So I'm going to be even adding some ton to be on a safer side if at all time comes when the gas fees are high. Okay, so I'm going to set this on my side. Do not do this if you're not going to be claiming on chain. I'm going to set this as my default option, and they're telling me well done, stay tuned with updates, thanks. And that's it. So this is where I'll be claiming my tokens on. But remember, with this option I'll have to spend gas fees. Okay guys, for this option I'll be spending gas fees. And that's it guys. I guess I have talked about all the different options. As you can see, the moment you select a default option, they disable all the other options unless you click. If I'm to change my mind, I just click this reset withdraw options, I guess, and all these will be brought back in an active state so that I can select any from the rest. But this is what I'm going to be using to claim the tokens. If this if this video was useful to you, I know I don't edit my videos, so if I make a mistake I just freestyle and collect it. So if this video was useful to you guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next videos. Peace.